Utah's Uinta Basin is both an alleged UFO hotspot and ground zero for sightings of the Skinwalker, a wolf-like shapeshifter. After retrieving motion-activated cameras from last night's investigation,
What do we got?
68.
68, so we captured something.
the team searches their footage for evidence of the legendary beast.
We have one more camera. So check it out.
That's big.
That is big.
What the?
Go back more. What the hell was that?
Just to clarify, there are no wolves here. Is that what he said?
Ryan Burns said that there are no wolves in this area.
Go back and slow down.
Is he looking at the camera?
This is exactly the same area that Ryan saw
Yeah.
the large possible skinwalker. Okay, we have a wolf-like creature on camera and it just appears out of nowhere.
I'm just trying to, like, where did it come from? Since it shows up in the middle of the street,
I don't know.
it literally just appears out of nowhere.
So something triggered the camera here. We don't see anything till here, yet the camera was recording the whole time.
How do you explain that?
You see that?
Yeah, that's bizarre.
Here's the reality, though. I know we all got excited about this stuff, but we need to reel ourselves back in here and try to figure out what that animal is.
Well, the best way to figure out what this animal is to get out there and see what we can find.